G'day and welcome to the Guy Who Sews channel. In today's video we're going to see the results of the voting from day 9 and then go ahead and open up box 10, see what fabrics are inside, and then show you 3 new patterns to choose from. So let's dig in. So day 9 was a beautiful series of different grey fabrics, and these were really nice to see. If you missed that, go back and check out that video, it's really neat. And we had 3 patterns. They were all focused on bear paws, and the first one was called All Paws Together, the second one was In or Out, and the third one was Bear Paw Star. And the voting was super close. Well, it could not have been closer because first, second, and third were all tied with equal votes. So in that situation, I have to cast a deciding vote, and I've decided that All Paws Together is the one I'm going to make on this one. So thank you all for voting, and it was extremely tough because for once I had to pick, and I like letting you guys pick. Anyway, let's now move on to day 10 to see what fabrics we have. So we have been doing a lot of guessing on what color might be inside, and a lot of folks have been saying possibly brown is inside day 10, and I tend to agree. So let's open up the box real quick and see if that's correct, because we've done all the rainbow, we've done grey, so it's probably either going to be brown or black is what we're thinking. Let's see if it's brown. Yes, it is. So we have a beautiful series of different brown fabrics. We're going to show you each one by one. So these are the 12 different fabrics that we have in this box to show you. And so this is the first one right here. I think this one's quite pretty. And then this one here as well. And I'd love to hear which one you think is your favorite in this collection as well. I have mine. I'll show you that and tell you about that at the end. That's the third one. And number 4. I have to lay these out ahead of time so I don't get my fingers sticky and pull out the wrong ones. There we go. Is that one there? There we go. That's the halfway mark. This one with the little daisies I think is really, really cute. And then this is a nice blender type one. We've got 4 more to show you. Let's see if you, let me know if you can guess which one you might think I like the most. The answer may surprise you. There we go. And we got 2 more. Well, it's got like little leaves and stuff on it. That's fun. And then we have this one. And then finally this one here as well. So it's a nice different collections of browns. And the one that I liked the most was the second to last one. And when you look at the square, because we get 6 fabrics in the squares, it's these wonderful looking goldfish. I think this one's just really, really fun. So that one is definitely my pick for this one here. Let me know which one your favorite is in the comments. So last time I did a series of 3 different patterns, all based on bear paws, and I thought it'd be fun to do something similar this time here. So this time we got to pick stars. So I haven't really done a lot of stars in this collection so far. So the first pattern here is one I called Twin Stars, because it's 2 different stars that are kind of offset from each other, and they got to share some of the same points. I thought this was a fun addition. The next one is one that I called Pinwheel Star, and if you look at it, it looks very, very similar to the bear paw star that I showed you last time around, but it has a pinwheel in the middle, and I think this one has a really cute effect. And then finally is one I called Center Star. I found the contrasting colors here, and the brown was really, really nice, so I was able to put a nice star in the middle and then also put some other fun additions on the edge. So to vote, you need to go across and use the Google form. I'll have the link in the description. It'll be open for about 24 hours, and then we'll come back on Friday and do day 11 and also share the results from this. I've loved that everyone's been voting on this, and one more question I do want to answer before I leave today is what am I planning on doing with all these blocks when I am done? The idea for me is I want to put these all together with some thin sashing in between and make it into a nice lap quilt that we can use here in the house. So thank you all for asking that question. I keep meaning to tell you and I keep forgetting, but today I actually remembered, which is really cool. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, tell a friend, and I always love hearing comments from my viewers. Thank you all much for participating and for voting, and we'll see you on Friday for day 11. Happy sewing. Bye.